Good day everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to cancel your FuboTV subscription. So this is the official page of the support of FuboTV. So as you can see we have information on how to cancel the subscription. So there are various ways of cancelling it. So you can do it first on your Fubo website. So as you can see you need to go to your website, sign in into your account. From there choose your profile. As you can see you can have multiple. Just like on Netflix, it's very similar on this service as well. Then you need to click on your profile icon, select My Account, then go to your subscription and billing. Alright, let me actually zoom in this website for you so that it's easier to read. Alright, so once again, choose your profile, click on your profile icon, select My Account, then select Subscription and Billing on the left here, and then on the very bottom, click on Cancel Subscription. You can also pause your subscription if that's something you want to do. You will be offered an option to do that. Alright, so from there as you can see we will be offered a discount, but that's not something we want. We just want to cancel it. The last confirmation page for cancellation of your subscription will be on the very last window, and as you can see it will tell us that the cancellation confirmed and that you will still be able to watch your FuboTV if you want to until the end of your billing cycle. Alright, so the other way to cancel it is on the Roku. So if you've subscribed to Roku, you can also do it from there. So you need to go to the Roku website, and then from the menu click on the unsubscribe button, and then from the menu click on this unsubscribe button, confirm your cancellation, press yes and unsubscribe, and you're done. You can also do it on the Roku device if you have one. So you press the home button on your remote, navigate to the manage subscription, and to unsubscribe press cancel subscription. If this video was helpful for you, please interact with our channel by pressing the like button, subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.